Hello, how are you today, everyone? In this lovely day, I'm going to give you the answer for this interesting question about the connection between United States president and United States dollar bill, $1 bill. And there was a question about that. Before George Washington, his face appeared on the $1 bill. Well, that's a question, and I'll give you the correct answer for the question, and right after that, I'll give you a short explanation about the answer. So I hope you can get more insight from it. And the correct answer for the question is Salmon Chase, and here is a bit more explanation about the answer. In 1862, Secretary of Treasury Salmon P. Chase had the distinctive honor of creating the initial $1 bill. Predictably, he chose to feature his own portrait on the bill. It wasn't until 1869 that the $1 bill underwent a redesign to showcase George Washington's visage. While Chase might not be as widely recognized in history. Well, that is the correct answer of the question. Salmon Chase is the correct one. Salmon Chase.
Hi, thank you so much for watching this video. If you find this video is very useful, you can help this channel to grow by subscribing this channel. Please this subscribe button and don't forget to like this video. And if you find this video is not really good, or you don't really like this video, or you kind of feel that it's a little bit offensive or something like that, you can click this one, dislike button. You can do that anyway. And if you want to share this video with your friend, you can share it by clicking this share button, and you can share it to any social media that you wish that is currently available at this time, like Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, and many others, right? And if you want to add this video to your playlist, you can click this one. You can watch this video later, and you can find more options by clicking these three dots. And yeah, don't forget to subscribe. I think that's all of it. Thank you so much for watching this video, and see you again in another video. Bye bye. See you again.